I'm sure you heard about dropshipping on Shopify and Amazon, but what about eBay? That's right, you can start a profitable dropshipping store using eBay and make an extra $3,000 a month. So let me show you exactly how you can get started on it. Okay, first off, why eBay? eBay has a lot of benefits that people don't know about. The first one being, people don't know about it. A lot of people, they do drop shipping using Shopify, and they do Amazon FBA and stuff like that, and they totally forget about eBay. eBay has a lot of people that come to their marketplace as well. eBay gets around 100 million customers to their platform each month. That's a potential 100 million customers to buy a product that you're selling. And on top of this, they get your customers for you. It's probably going to take a few sales to get the ball rolling, but once you do, you move up in the search results. So let's say you were selling a vacuum cleaner or something. You will move up in the search results when you get more sales because you get more reviews, and hopefully you're getting good reviews. And once this happens, when people search up a vacuum cleaner, you're going to be right there. So you'll be getting sales automated as well. I've been selling on eBay since 2014, so almost 10 years. It was one of the first entrepreneur ventures I've had. I was flipping shoes, hats, and different types of clothing, so I have a lot of experience with eBay. So I can tell you first thing, you can make a decent amount of money on eBay. Okay, to get started, you're gonna need a product, but let me first tell you what products to stay away from. Stay away from little headphone products and earphones and wireless chargers, basically any little accessories. Stay away from. You can make a lot of money with it. As you can see, this person got over 2,000 sales. This one got 1,000 something sales. And if you're selling like 10, 20, or even 30 different products in your store, and you're getting these many sales on just one product, that's a lot of money. But it's going to be a lot of competition because this is one that most people go with. It's just little accessories like this. And if you're just beginning, trying to compete with a top rated plus seller, it's going to be hard. So just stay away from little products like this. Instead, we're going to find our product using TikTok. That's right. TikTok is an amazing platform you can find decent products on, and all you have to do is just go up to the search bar. You can search up TikTok made me buy it. This is the one I'm gonna use, or you can search up Amazon finds. This is another good one that you can use, but I'm gonna search TikTok made me buy it. And what we're doing here is just going to scroll through and find a product that we like, and then after that we can go to a supplier and find the product so we can sell it. So just keep scrolling through until you see a product that you like. This one is pretty interesting, 27 million views. And on top of this, you can see what products are working too, because if a product on TikTok got 27 million views for one video, that's a great product. You want to find a video that have at least 100,000 views. That's probably going to be a great product to use. But this one right here is looking pretty good. I like food and looks like they cooking. Yeah, they get a lot of views on their store. As you can see, 114k, 41k, 17k. Yeah, this is an amazing product. A skillet that you can cook pretty much anywhere, which is an amazing product. So you can easily find this. The supplier I'm gonna use is Alibaba. Alibaba is a bulk supplier, so when you purchase from them, you have to buy in bulk. If you don't want to use Alibaba and want to go towards the free route where you're just paying for basically the sample product, we'll get into that later, but you can use CJ Dropshipping as well. CJ Dropshipping is an amazing supply that you can get started with. They're completely free. They have decent shipping times as well. As you can see, 3 to 7, 4 to 8, 6 to 10, 8 to 12. Most of their products is going to be like around 7 to 15 days. So they have decent shipping times and their products have good quality. But when you use Alibaba, you can have more control in your business, and you can ship it out yourself, and you can get 2 to 5 day shipping to people in your country. So it's going to make your brand look better as well. So I found their product. This is basically what they're selling right here. The mini electric hot pot cooking, the same basically as this. And let's see how much they're selling it for and see how much profit they're making. As you can see, they're selling it for around $38, and if you go over to Alibaba, you can buy it for $5.70 to $7. And then don't forget, you got to pay for shipping, which is going to cost you anywhere from $4 to $7 per product. So they're making bare minimum, and I mean bare minimum, $20 in profit for each sale, because they're not using any type of ads. These are all organic, so they're making $20 per sale. So they could be making a lot of money each day. That's amazing just to think about, just by marketing on TikTok completely free without using ads. But let's say we wanted to go with this product for our eBay store. When using Alibaba, don't forget you got to buy in bulk. Like this one right here, you can buy in 8 pieces minimum order quantity. So you're going to be spending around $100 to $200 up front. Not that bad for an initial, purchase. so you can, you know, test out the product or do whatever you need so you can sell it and just ship it out yourself and have more control in your business. Once you find your product, all you want to do is come over to eBay, sign up if you aren't signed up yet, and once you do this, hit sell. It's going to be easier on a phone, but I'm on a PC, so it would probably look a little complicated. And once you do, you're going to see these categories. All you want to do is come over to listings and create a listing and just tell them what you're selling. So we went with the portable skillet basically. So I'm gonna type in portable skillet and you'll see it. So you just click plus and then hit search. And as you can see, they have a lot of matching ones that you can match it up with, or you can just continue without matching. So this would just fill in the blanks for you. So I'm gonna just click on this one, and then you just click what version is it in. So if you're using a dropshipping product, all this is gonna be a new product. So just hit new and click continue. And what you can do, you can go over to your supplier and ask for photos and upload the photos. I'm gonna just use this one for now, and then just change up the title. What you want to do here is just use keywords that you think people will search up. So I'm gonna go with portable skillet for mine, and probably type in a few more keywords like electric cooker as well. Just try to type up something around your category that you think people will search up. And then you just had an item category. They already have it for me, electric skillets. And then it had a brand. You don't have to have a brand. A lot of these item specifics you do not have to have, like material and power source and type and all that, you don't really have to have. And then you're gonna come down to the description and just type in the description of your product. Okay, and once you type in your description, you just scroll down and come over to pricing. What you want to do is either go auction, which you probably don't want to do. You will just go buy it now for your product, and they have a suggested price over there, which helps a lot. You don't want to just go a crazy price that's like $100 and most people are selling it for like 20, or you don't want to go $5 and undercut yourself. So the medium sold price is $29.71. So I would go like $26.99, just a little below, so you know when people are scrolling they see yours, and it's cheaper too, so they were more likely to go with yours. And you're going to come down to shipping, and however you're going to sell it, through UPS or USPS, you just click on it and they'll have different options for you, and you can make it to either where you want your customer pay for shipping or you pay for it. Most of the time I just pay for the shipping and just include it in the price, because a lot of people like that free shipping. And then the package weight and package dimensions is optional, and then you edit how you will want to get paid, and just that easy. You can list it. It's not that hard to create listings, and if you have more than one product that you want to sell in your store, then boom, you can easily do that by listing more products. But it's that easy to make your product and have it up and running. So once you get your product up and running, it's going to be on the eBay's marketplace for all their customers to see, and you can have it up for a year if you wanted to. And if you're still getting sales from that one product from a year ago, of course that's going to be amazing. But if you don't do any additional marketing, it could take a while before you start getting sales. So let's go through how we're going to market our product so we can speed up the process. And believe it or not, you already seen how to market. Yep, let's go back over to TikTok. As you can see, all of these products right here are not ads. They're not sponsored, because if it was, it would have a sponsor next to it. They're all organic. So 2.3 million views, 7 million, 7.1. I guarantee you they're making thousands of dollars just from a video. So let's just say with this video right here, I guarantee you this is a drop shipping product. They got 7 million views, and out of them 7 million views, I guarantee you they got at least bare minimum 7,000 sales. So if they are making a $10 profit and got 7,000 sales, they just made $70,000 from this video, which is amazing. So this is the best way to start marketing for completely free, is just by making videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube Shorts sometimes. And it's not that hard either. Let's say, so when you're on Alibaba, or if you're using CJ Dropshipping, it's the same. You have your product, all you gotta do is click on the product, and as you can see, you can get samples from the suppliers. So once you order your sample, you can start marketing it. Like this product right here is one that I use in one of my stores that I sell. It's like a mini vacuum cleaner. I have a lot of them. You can see it on my bookshelf back here, a few of them, but it's one of the products I sell in my store. And this right here is a great example of just marketing the product. This is, of course, the product I sell, and I just have it on one of my backdrops and just showing it in action. You know, I just showing them how the product is used, you know, and it's that easy. You create 2 to 5 pieces of content a day, and eventually, even if you don't have viral videos, you're still going to be getting a lot of views. This one got 8 likes, but it got over 8,000 views. So even if you're not getting that many likes, you still get a lot of engagement, just because all of these platforms are competing for people's attention. So they pushed a lot of videos out that are short form. So this is a great time to be using platforms like Facebook and TikTok and Instagram Reels to boost up your business. And what happens when you use eBay for your store, once you start getting sales from, you know, marketing on TikTok and different social medias, that's when you go up in the rankings. And once you up in the rankings, they will automatically get you those customers. So let's say someone searches up mini vacuum cleaner, and I've got like 100 reviews, 200 reviews for my product, and you know, it's like 500, 600 sold. A lot of people will look at that because, you know, they like to go with products that's already selling, and they will go with mine just because it has a lot of reviews and a lot of sales already, so it must be a good product. And that's how you pretty much automate it on eBay. Once you start getting the sales, and you can stop marketing on TikTok and different platforms too if you wanted to, because all your sales is going to be coming from eBay's marketplace that they have 100 million people that come each month. Alright, and that right there is how you find your product, which ones to avoid, how to order your product with either Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping, and then market it so you can automate it. That's what I do in my stores, and it's an amazing side income once you build it up. And don't forget, it does take time and it takes money up front if you're going on Alibaba, especially $100 to $200, which you can make that back easily once you start scaling your business. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and good luck in your dropshipping journey. Until next time.